Stop waiting for the weekend to enjoy yourself. Stop waiting for somebody to love you. Stop waiting for somebody to choose you. At some point, you have to choose yourself and do what's best for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about choosing yourself, making sure you're putting yourself in a position where you're able to choose yourself, where you put yourself first, where you're not relying on somebody to build you a life that you've always wanted. The universe doesn't owe you anything. Life doesn't owe you anything. You owe it to yourself to take control of your life. Stop waiting for people to love you. Why is it that you rely on other people to make you happy? You have to look within yourself and see what's lacking. What do you have to offer? You're in charge of your own happiness. You're in control of your own well-being. No one can add to your happiness. If you're not happy within yourself, you will never be fully satisfied with somebody trying to make you happy. And you can't rely on people trying to make you happy, because what happens when they leave, when they're gone tomorrow, then are you going to try and find somebody else to make you happy? Happiness comes within. Choose yourself. Be happy within yourself. Be happy with what you've got, and somebody else that comes along on the way can only be an addition to what you've already got. And also stop waiting for Friday to live your life. If you've always aspired for something bigger than having to work a weekend, something bigger than having to be controlled, and work to making sure that you're not waiting for Friday. Work and develop a life where you don't have to wait for Friday, where you don't have to take a break from that life. Your life can be what you want it to be as long as you put your effort into it. You have to really think, what do you really want out of life? What is it that you want to achieve? What does your version of success look like? How much are you willing to give, to sacrifice for you to get to where you need to be? You never have to wait for somebody to choose you. You never have to wait for somebody to feel like they're in control of what your life looks like. I'm pretty sure you don't always want to be able to answer to someone. Wait till 65 where you're now at a place where you're relying on your pension, because sometimes it may be a situation where you don't even get to that age, or you get to retirement age and your health is already impaired. So you have to choose a life for yourself. Find ways to get what you want and stop waiting for a reason to be happy. You have to take matters into your own hands. If you want to be happy, you have to make your own choice. You have to decide that you want to be happy, and stop putting yourself in situations that don't bring anything but peace and love. Choose yourself and become the best version of yourself. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.